Hey guys, what's up everybody, and welcome to another vlog. Actually, not a vlog. Today I'm riding my scooter, so it's basically a scooter vlog. So the question is why I'm riding my scooter. The reason is that I've given my bike for some repair work because I was getting a ticking sound from the cylinder head. So I gave it to TVS workshop in Ulhasnagar. Okay, so this is the Ulhasnagar entrance gate. If you can see, that is Ulhasnagar Mahanagar Palika आपले सहर्ष स्वागत करीत आहे. Thank you. So this from here we start Ulhasnagar. This is Ulhasnagar area. So first let's go to the furniture market, and then from there we'll go to this. This is the furniture market. It's all wood here, all wood. You come here, you finalize your design, and they'll make your design ready. So this entire road in front of me is for furniture on this side and this side as well. But since this is one way, so I won't be going that side. See, this is all furniture on both the sides. It's all furniture. So guys, if you're planning to buy furniture for your place and you stay somewhere around Kalyan, please do visit this place before buying it from some other place, because you get awesome quality furnitures at very less price, though you need to bargain, of course. It's all furniture market this side. Great furnitures. And the front chalk, from there is the Gajanan market, where you get all the apparels. If you want to buy clothes at very less cost, you can definitely buy. I'll just go around there. I'll show you. It's all one way, so I won't be stopping anywhere. I'll just show you what the place looks like. Alright guys, yeah, it's not crowded today because it's kind of afternoon. If you come here in the evening, you won't find place to even walk. It's that crowded. See, it's a big market, and you get all the stuffs which you want, and that is the Gajanan market, where you get all the clothes, that one. So if you're coming here, please do visit this place for shopping. Weekend shopping would be great, and it's all market area with good shops and good products you'll get here. And almost everything you'll find, what you find here, you'll find in Crawford Market or Fashion Street also. So yeah, but if you're coming here, don't come by car. I'll suggest you don't take your car inside, because there's no parking space. There's only two parking lots in this area, which is mostly full all the time. So I would suggest don't take your car to this place. So I'll just show you. This place looks weird. This place actually looks weird because of all the buildings that are being demolished due to road expansion projects. These roads are like very small, and these are being planned to get extended. That's the plan, and that's why these buildings are demolished, and we'll have one extra lane. So on the both sides you see these markets. These are all electronics market where you can buy electronic stuff. That's what you get on both the sides. So there is a light market, and here you get all watch and everything on this side. Watch market, electrical market, all hardware you get. This area is basically for watches and all the appliances, small appliances. And that's the sound market where you get everything related to speakers, mic, everything related to sound. That's this line. You get everything related to sound, mic, basically speakers, whatever you want, you get it from there. And this line is again for machinery, and this line is again for machinery. If you want to buy pumps, purifiers, this is for this line basically. So basically this Ulhasnagar is divided into several parts where you get different markets or different stores. So this was for the electrical parts, and now from here starts the two-wheeler and the four-wheeler section. So here is all the tires if you want to buy, batteries and garages where you want to buy your two-wheeler stuff. And on the right hand side you have the four-wheeler market where you have all the four-wheeler customization shops. Now as you move forward from this point, you have this car customization points on both the sides. So what I believe, if you order anything for your car in Mumbai, like a customized seat cover or lamination or vinyl cover, this is sent out from here, from Ulhasnagar. That's what I know. The car selling market where you can sell your car second hand, first hand, and you can buy new cars, exchange your cars for less price, and at a good price you get good price there. Now from here that main market starts. Along with this you have all the showrooms here, which is my favorite section. KTM, Bajaj, Enfield. So this is all second hand car markets. So on this side it's all the cars, so you can see these cars are available for sale on this side and that side as well. It's all the place where you can just sell your car, buy a new car, buy a second hand car at a good price. Yamaha showroom there, and we have KTM, Yamaha, Vespa, Royal Enfield, Bajaj, TVS, or Honda. All the showrooms on this side, that is Royal Enfield, Vespa showrooms there. And yeah, again, I was talking about these seat covers. This is the part where you get all these seat covers for your car, the customization place. So anything you want to order, this will, if you order in Mumbai, this will go from here basically. That's what I know according to my information. And then you have here Honda showroom, KTM, Bajaj. So that is Bajaj, KTM, Suzuki, Honda on this side, and TVS on that side. So basically we are going to TVS showroom, TVS service center, where that's the showroom, TVS service center, TVS showroom, Supreme TVS. And this is Apache 200. Let's go, let's find out what is the status of my bike. So thank you guys for watching, and keep subscribed, take care, and ride safe. Bye bye.